Welcome to the Zmanda Pro tutorial series. In this video, we'll walk through the MongoDB backup and restore process using Zmanda Pro. We'll demonstrate how to set up backups and restore your data when needed, so you can ensure your database is both protected and easily recoverable. All right, let's get started. On the Zmanda Pro Management Console, open the Protected Items tab. Click Add Protected Item, and from the list, select the device you want to configure. Protected Item configuration window opens, and you can rename the protected item if required. Under Type, select MongoDB. In the Authentication tab, enter the required details. Next, move to the Connection tab. Here, select the connection type and enter the required server details, including the host and port. In the SSL tab, you can configure SSL settings if your MongoDB setup requires secure connections. Once the configuration is complete, click Test Connection to verify the setup. If the connection is successful, a confirmation message will be displayed. Then, click Next to continue. Open the Items tab and click the folder icon to browse database items. In the Select Items to Protect window, select all database items, or choose the specific databases you want to include in the backup. Once you've made your selection, click Save. Next, in the Commands tab, you can configure pre- and post-backup commands if required. Move to the Schedule tab. To add a schedule, click the plus icon beside Storage Vault. The new schedule window will open. Under Storage Vault, select the required storage vault. You can also configure options as required. Next, under the Schedule section, you can select the schedule type. Once configured, click Save. In the Retention tab, you can configure retention settings for the selected storage vault and then click on Save. This will take you back to the Protected Items page, where you can view the newly created item. Backups will run automatically on your configured schedule. If you'd like to trigger a backup on a need basis, locate the protected item and click Run Backup. In the Run Backup window, review the selected protected item and storage vault. Make any required selections based on your needs. Then, click Backup to start the backup job. Now, let's look at how to restore data. To restore data, navigate to the Devices tab. Locate the required device and click Actions. In the Connected Device Actions window, click Restore. In the Restore window, select the required storage vault and click Next. You'll now see a list of available backups. Expand the protected item and select the required snapshot and click Next. Choose the Restore method, for example, Files and Folders, and click Next. You can choose to restore all items or select specific items. Next, select an output directory where the restored data will be saved. You can also choose to restore to original paths or adjust overwrite options if required. Once everything is configured, click Restore to start the process. You'll be taken back to the dashboard, where the restore request is successfully initiated. To check the status of a backup or restore job, you can view it in Job Logs tab at any point of time. That completes the process of backing up and restoring a MongoDB database using Zmanda Pro.